And welcome back to Touchline Sports. By name, I'm Sébastien. Today we'll be looking at the upcoming fixtures of the Betway Premiership, all right? As they are starting on the 1st of August. So, Karabo, thank you for taking the time to engage with us right here on Touchline Sports. Let's look at the first game, right? Orlando Pirates up against Milford. Orlando Pirates, they finish first in the league. And they were part of the playoff, Milford. I think they would also want to prove themselves that they do belong in the Betway Premiership. So looking at these two teams, right? Yeah. Where do you see this match going?
Re go leboga Sfiso ke nyaka go bontsha gore wa ka nna go lebella fixture ya weekend especially because of the opening games ke bona gore game ya Orlando Pirates Milford go nna ke the best fixture because of gono lebella ka mogwele gore Milford ya rokile ka gona in the playoffs e rokile against bo Magezi rokile against bo Cape Town City ka mogwe ba rokang ka gona the team e le gore roka low block. Sometimes they can play mid block ba allow to start the ball from the back and ke something engwe le gore re go bona tactics tse le gore they are very difficult, especially in terms of taba ya gore immediately ge ba thoma go press in the middle of the park about 20 meters away from the center ke mo le gore tlo gona le moga gore go ba difficult, especially for Orlando Pirates. Also go lebella Orlando Pirates go re ba bone ka gare ga ge ba loka di pre-season games o gona realize ka mo go le gore the coach o tswela ka di patterns, new tactics ke le gore di tlo dira Orlando Pirates be one of the team le gore it was difficult to beat this season. So come game I think it's going to be a difficult game for both Milford and Orlando Pirates, but more Milford because Milford is good in obviously Orlando Arena Stadium, so it's going to be difficult for Milford, especially Wanabo Makuti the Betway Premiership.
Now looking at the signings, Orlando Pirates, right? They've now signed the Norwegian Sébastien. Do you think he should be introduced in the starting lineup or he should come on as a sub?
Bona wa kana Sfiso ke nana re ke play le gore santse gore e thome on the bench because of obviously Pirates ebile le pre-season and ba bile le pre-season the player tsa tshwana le bo ngwana gogo ke meja ngwana gogo Mbuthuma ba tshotsa le bo magopa ke batho le gore ba bile a good pre-season so ga mo go le bo radio pane I think le bona ba bile le pre-season e sharp so go tlo thoma tsa Sébastien a thoma game obviously ke tabela gore e bona ka reng bona maybe a ba dira selo in the pre-season so I think a good thing go mo thoma on the bench and then we introduce maybe in the last 20 minutes of the game because of rokale team e le gore wa kana is a small team there is no pressure the player, there is no pressure the new signings.
So let's look at the prediction of the match.
Yeah.
Which team do you see winning the match?
Bona Sfiso ke nyako e bolela in this way gore go lebelela team of Sonal Milford I do have a belief this season 26-27 ba ya go ba le a good season because of o gona lebella in team ya bona ngushish ka mogolo goreng bana le baruka gona bana ba go tswana bo mthethwa bana le baruka ba tswana bo segomoshe ba le goreng I believe gore those are the good players mo teaming ya Milford and also go lebella the way ba roka nga gona as much as ke boletse they can play low block, they can play mid block something ye le gore ba ya go dira ka game ya Orlando Pirates ntwe ba ya go dira gore they're gonna make sure they be compact, especially in the middle of the park or allow Pirates space gore ba khona roka ka di wing le di wing back tsa bona so that ba khona catch Pirates ka counter attack and also but to dira it difficult but to dira gore go be difficult for Pirates especially relevantly taba ya go penetrate the defense ya Milford and also look through the pockets or to play in between so it's going to be difficult for Orlando Pirates especially to break that line to break a low block ya Milford, but for now the way ke bona game you fella maybe ka 2-0 or 3-1 because of also go lebella Orlando Pirates especially Sipo Chain. I think this season is going to be the suspect mo teaming ya Orlando Pirates. I think it's going to be someone who goreng if baka se kry someone who to compete it's going to be difficult for Orlando Pirates, especially when win the game ka mo ba di winning ka gona go last season ka go keep 21 clean sheets. So for nagana gore Sipo Chain possibility go consider against Milford is there because of the transition in Milford ba tla ba ira lokabo. So for nothing 2-1 or 3-1
in favor of
Orlando Pirates.
All right.